Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, the best place for online entrepreneurs that want to scale their income, make a huge impact, and grow their audience. Are you ready to spy on your competition's ads? Facebook has a tool called the Ads Library where you can look at what ads are running for your competition, or even people like Marie Forleo. In a moment, I'm going to actually screen share my computer so that you can see how you can do it for yourself. But first, let's talk about why is it important for you to spy on your competitors' ads? Well, it's actually going to help you, inspire you to create ad copy, opt-ins, launches, and marketing funnels to the same ideal client that they have. What type of copy are they using? What opt-in are they promoting? What type of retarget ads are they running? Let's go ahead and dive into this. Here I am in the ads library, as you can see, and to go there, all you have to do is go to facebook.com/ads/library. And all you have to do is you want to start plugging in people's names, whoever your competitor is, the brand, whatever. You can really look at everything. So let's start with like Marie Forleo, for example. Let's look. I know she's currently promoting B-School, so let's check that stuff out. And as you can see, she's got a good, she doesn't have too many ads running right now. So as you can see, she has, when you realize there's a replay for her webinar. So this is a retarget ad for anybody who's watched her webinar. Same thing, another retarget for the webinar. She's got, let's see here. Yep, so it looks like that she's running only ads right now as retargets to her webinar, which is super cool. Retarget ads are the best way to go. And as you can see, she does, I think she just takes them back to, she just takes them back to her training page so that they can watch the replay of the webinar, and then she tells them to enroll into B-School, okay? So there's one example. Let's look at another one of my favorites is Amy Porterfield. I love her ads all the time. I know she's probably promoting B-School as well, but also promoting her own stuff. So as you can see, I'm actually seeing inactive ads as well, which is fine. So as you can see, she's talking about B-School, here, don't miss this live event with me. There's joining B-School, so this is talking about B-School some more. This is towards her podcast. I mean, there's so many more that I can look through. And what I could do with this information is go, oh, this is a really cool graphic for her, podcast. I would love to create something like that for my podcast. And I would, I really like this part right here that's showing, that part. And I like the fact that she has a mock-up of, what it would look like, on the podcast and, something like that. And, really just looking at things and getting inspiration on what she's using. For example, she uses a lot of, especially for retarget ads, people tend to use, quotations, from a testimonial of some kind. That's something you could definitely take away. That's a really good way to do a retarget ad. There's so many ways that you can do it. But you can look at, so there's Amy Porterfield, that's Marie Forleo. I mean, you can look at any other ones. There's like, let's see here, I'm trying to think of like a big, huge brand. I don't know, like the Honest Company. Let's see if they're doing anything. I'm sure they are. Yep, so here we go. So you can get 40% off using this code. They're probably promoting this to people who have like looked at their website or, something along those lines. But you can get this information off of this and really just look, okay, well, if I own a company, a products company, I can use this, type of same thing, retarget anyone who's looked at my website and give them like a code that they can use for 40% off so they can actually purchase, So, I mean, if I go back to here, so it allows them to get 40% off. So this just shows you different ways that you can, market your own business. Let's look at another one, like maybe Fabletics. I know they're much into it. So this one talks about all leggings, 2 for $24. This one's like a video. I mean, there's so many things that you can look at and what other people are doing that maybe your competitors or maybe who are people who are really well-known brands, you know, and really look at what they're doing and what is making their ads successful and really taking that as inspiration. Okay, so really just go to the ads library and start looking at everything. Use this information to figure out what your competitors are using for their ads. You can also use this to help you look at more well-known brands like Marie Forleo that will help you figure out what they are doing that is making their ads successful. Tell me in the comments below if you knew or didn't know about the ads library and how you will use it for your business. Now I want to tell you a quick little disclaimer here, and that is I don't want you to use this tool to copy ads. Taking someone else's copy and using it as your own is actually illegal. Don't do that. Instead, use this tool to give you inspiration to help you write yours. Give a like on this video if you have already started on working on the ads library, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. As always, good luck on your journey to success, and I'll see you guys on the next video.